What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add cross-platform friends in Madden NFL 26. It's actually pretty simple once you know where everything is. Crossplay basically lets Xbox and PlayStation players add each other so you can play together no matter what console you're on. Start on the main menu and open settings. Inside there you'll find a crossplay tab. Just make sure crossplay is turned on. That's the first thing you need for any of this to work. After that press R3 to open EA Connect. This is where all the cross-platform friend options are. Go into player search and you'll see your EID at the top. That's the username people can use to find you, and you can also use it to search for your friends. All you have to do is type in your friend's EID, or you can type his name. For example, I'll type here as simple as Jack and then send a friend request, and once they accept, they'll show up in your friends list, and of course they can send you a request the same way if that's easier. You can accept it under the friend request section. Once you are both connected, they'll appear in your list and you can invite them to play just like any other friend. That's all there is to it. Enjoy playing with your crossplay squad. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.